Whether you're rushing to work, heading to the gym, or traveling light, a portable blender can keep smoothies and shakes on the menu anywhere. The best ones aren't just cute, they're powerful enough for frozen fruit, easy to clean, and reliable on a single charge. In this video to the best portable blenders, you'll discover which features matter most so you can blend confidently on the go. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender. If you want a simple smoothie blender that fits your routine and your cup holder, the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is made for quick single-serve blending without extra mess. It blends right inside the 14-ounce bisphenol A-free travel jar. Then you can swap on the travel lid and take it with you. No need to pour into another cup. The jar is sized to fit most car cup holders, which makes it a practical option for busy mornings, commutes, or post-workout shakes. Even with its compact footprint, it's built to handle common smoothie ingredients. The durable stainless steel blades are designed to power through ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens, helping you get smoother results for shakes, smoothies, and icy drinks. Whether you're trying to add more fruits and greens to your day, or just want a fast protein shake, it keeps the process straightforward. Portability details also matter here. The design is lightweight, and cord storage helps keep your counter or cabinet from turning into a tangled mess, especially helpful if you're storing it between uses. Cleanup stays easy too. The blending jar, blades, and travel lid are all dishwasher safe, so you can rinse quickly or load everything into the dishwasher and move on. Overall, it's a no-fuss, blend-and-go option when you want convenience, compact size, and a drink-ready cup in one step. At number 4, Devan Portable Blender. If you want a cordless blender you can use anywhere, at your desk, on a hike, or even by the pool, the Devan Portable Blender is built for on-the-go smoothies and quick shakes with minimal effort. It runs on a 270-watt motor with pulse technology and uses a one-button design, so you can blend fast without dealing with complicated controls. The 6 stainless steel blades are made to break down fruits and veggies quickly, helping you get a drink-ready blend in seconds. For everyday convenience, you can keep track of battery life using the 12 smart LED indicators, so you know when it's time to recharge. The jar uses food-grade, bisphenol A-free polycyclohexylene dimethylene, terephthalate glycol material with a diamond-style design that's lightweight and travel-friendly. Safety features are also built in, including a magnetic sensing switch designed to help prevent overheating and reduce accidental operation. When you need more power for tougher ingredients, a quick double press activates pulse mode. This setting is intended for crushing harder foods like small ice cubes, frozen fruit, carrots, celery, broccoli, coffee beans, nuts, and other stubborn mix-ins, useful when you don't want to pre-chop everything. It's also designed for messy environments. With an IPX67 water-resistant build, you can rinse it more confidently and bring it to places where splashes happen, including the beach or poolside. Just note that it isn't dishwasher safe, so cleaning is best done by rinsing and wiping after use. Number 3, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. If you want a compact personal blender that's fast, powerful, and easy to use every day, the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is built to keep things simple while still delivering serious blending performance. Its 700-watt push-to-blend motor uses pulse technology to power through ingredients right in the cup, making it a practical choice for smoothies, shakes, milkshakes, and quick drink mixes without extra buttons or complicated settings. It's also designed for nutrient-focused blending. You can blend whole fruits and vegetables, including parts you might normally toss, so you get more out of your ingredients and end up with a smoother, more consistent drink. When you're craving colder options, it can crush ice and break down frozen ingredients for frozen smoothies and resort-style blended drinks, helping you skip separate appliances like an ice crusher or bulky juicer. The everyday convenience is where it fits most routines. It's small enough to sit on almost any countertop, and you blend directly in the 16-ounce single-serve cup. When you're done, attach the spout lid and take it with you. Perfect for busy mornings, post-workout shakes, or quick breakfasts you can drink on the move. Cleanup is low effort too. The parts are bisphenol A free and dishwasher safe, so you can rinse quickly or load everything in the dishwasher and get back to your day. At number 2, Ninja Blast Portable Blender. If you want a blender you can actually take with you, without cords, bulky bases, or extra bottles. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is built for blending wherever your day happens. It's cordless and lightweight at about 1.7 pounds, so it's easy to toss in a bag, keep at your desk, or bring to the gym without feeling like you're packing kitchen equipment. Even with its compact size, it's designed to handle frozen ingredients for smoother drinks on the go. The 18-ounce vessel gives you a practical single-serving capacity, whether you're making a quick smoothie, a protein shake, or an iced coffee blend. Portability is the main advantage here. A comfortable hinged carry handle makes it easy to grab and go, and the easy open sip lid lets you blend and drink from the same container, so you don't need to transfer your drink or wash extra cups. You can also choose from premium color options, which is a nice bonus if you care about matching your gear to your style. Cleanup stays simple too. The lid and vessel are bisphenol A-free and dishwasher safe, and when you don't feel like disassembling anything, you can run a quick self-clean. Add water, a drop of dish soap, and blend for about 30 seconds. Overall, it's a practical choice when you want fresh blends anywhere, quick cleanup, and a travel-friendly design that fits your routine. And finally, the number 1 of our list, nutribullet Personal Blender. If you want an easy way to make healthier habits stick, the nutribullet Personal Blender keeps nutrition simple, fast, and realistic for busy days. With a compact, lightweight design and a 24-ounce blending cup, it's built for single servings, so you can blend, drink, and head out without extra steps or a sink full of dishes. This is the original nutribullet that focuses on what you'll actually use every day. The 600-watt motor delivers the power to turn common smoothie ingredients, like strawberries, bananas, and spinach, into a smooth, drinkable blend. Whether you're mixing fruits and veggies, adding protein powder, or making quick sauces and shakes, it helps you get key nutrients into your routine without needing advanced settings or complicated controls. Operation is intentionally straightforward. Push, twist, and blend. That simple, intuitive approach makes it easier to stay consistent, especially when you're trying to build a new habit and don't want a learning curve in the morning. Cleanup is also designed to be low effort. With dishwasher-safe parts and a removable blade setup, you can rinse quickly or toss components in the dishwasher after you're done, so making a smoothie doesn't feel like a time commitment. Overall, it's a practical personal blender for anyone who wants fast, everyday nutrition with minimal prep, minimal mess, and a setup that fits neatly on the counter. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which portable blender you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.